Alright everybody, welcome to Retargetengine tutorial. I'm going to walk you through exactly how to set up your first campaign on Retargetengine and kind of walk through the specifics on how to add your campaign on Facebook and how to integrate it all. So first things first, this is a WordPress plugin, so you'll need to log into your WordPress site, and it works best on the latest version of WordPress, so recommend if you haven't updated to update, and then all you have to do is go to plugin, add new, and then on the document or members area that you received, you've got a download link for the plugin. Just upload that zip file, so click upload, choose that file and click install, and just follow the prompts and you should be good on the installation. If you have any problems there, you can use your FTP, so FileZilla works really well. So give that a shot. If you have any more problems getting it installed, just email us support@Retargetengine. We'll get you taken care of. And then next step, you'll see now that you have this little Retargetengine tab here with all campaigns and add new. So a campaign can be something as simple as an affiliate product or a Kindle product, really anything that you don't have control over the code on the website. So if you're selling an affiliate product, you don't necessarily have control of their website, so you can't add your retargeting pixel. Because what a retargeting pixel does basically is it tracks if someone's visited something, and then it can display a new ad to them. So here I have one for a product called Webinar Jam. I have my affiliate link here in the campaign URL. I have my retargeting code here in the tracking area, and then I have this special URL that when people go to it through my ad, they actually are tracked through Facebook retargeting, and then it actually goes to the affiliate website. So on setup of the ad itself, we'll walk through that, but first things first, you got to make sure you have your campaign set up. So we'll set up a new campaign here, and let's just do this for a Kindle book. We'll just pick a random Kindle book, go out here to kindle.amazon, and again you can do this with any JVZoo product, any ClickBank product, really anything like that. So I'm going to grab this book, which I really like. Obviously it's not my book, so I wouldn't necessarily recommend using someone else's book unless you're looking to retarget them to your own products. So let's grab that. We're going to put that in the campaign URL. The next thing we need to do is create a Facebook audience for this book. So we're going to go out to facebook.com/ads. If you haven't used Facebook ads before, recommend going out. There's tons of training on YouTube that's free. There's a couple good guides just on Facebook advertising itself on Facebook. So you can go into your account, and all we need to do is down here on the left, you'll see we have an audience area. So we'll want to click that, create a new audience for this book. And an audience, just so you know what it is, it's actually a custom set of people who have done something specifically with Facebook. And for this, it's basically people who have gone to this URL. So I'm going to make an audience that's custom audience for your website. Since this is your website, you'll be able to use that. So you want to create this, and we're going to call it Willpower Instinct Book. Then next step is view this remarketing pixel. Grab this little bit of code. We're going to add it back into this tracking area. And we're going to publish this now. So what this will do will give us a special URL here. This permalink URL. You'll want to copy this. And if you're having troubles with the permalink URL, you may need to go into your settings, permalinks, and set that. I'll just show you real quick. Set it to post name, and like I've got it set to post ID right now, which works fine too. But this is the one that it's configured for. It does work with other setups, but that's generally the one we recommend. And I'm not even taking my own advice on that, am I? So, so now we'll want to go back to our audience. So we've created this custom audience for your website. We've copied this into the campaign. Now we need to add people who visited this URL. So Sean.co /retargeting/Kindle book. So yours might be /r. We recently changed that. I just haven't updated yet. So that's that, and then you can also do, you can extend this to 180 days. So for 180 days, anybody who visits this link, put them in this audience. That's what this whole section says. So we create an audience. Cool. Already got our audience. All done with that. Now we can create a retargeting ad. Now that's different than a regular ad. This is an ad that just shows to people who I know have gone to this link. So then that's where the power really comes in, because you know that they've gone to this URL. So you could actually send them back to your ebook if you wanted to. And that's what we'll do here. We'll do clicks to a website. We want to send them back to the ebook. And you can honestly, if you wanted to send them to another website, like a affiliate product, you could do that. You could say, hey, since you like the willpower instinct, maybe you'll like this. And we'll add in our little book cover. And you can do all this fun stuff. You can, let's see, thanks for checking this awesome book. It's real simple. I mean, you obviously you'll want to go through the strategy here is mainly shop now. Mainly the idea is you want to show them an ad based on the fact that you know they've already been there. And so you want to make the copy reflect that. Did you like the willpower instinct? Then you should buy it. So that's that. You've got a retarget audience set up now. You're all good to go. I do recommend just getting started with $5 a day. That's honestly enough to get started. And then I usually bid for impressions. So this is actually where you're going to save a lot of money, is bidding for impressions here, because really what you want is that ad to show a lot to them. So you can play around with these settings, find out what works best for your niche. If you make 2 ads and you do one for impressions and one for clicks, you'll see which one actually gets the best ROI. But then that's how you set up the retargeting ad. Now, next step, usually if you aren't going to be mailing this link out to an email list, is setting up another Facebook ad to this URL itself. So you can do that just like you would on any normal Facebook ad. You'd go in, create an ad, and the reason you want to send them to this URL and not this URL is because you want people to be cookied with that Facebook pixel when they visit this URL, which they won't obviously if they visit the raw link. So that's how you set up a real simple Facebook ad for retargeting using Retargetengine. Let us know if you have any questions at support@Retargetengine, and let us know if you have any issues getting set up, and look forward to seeing your success with Retargetengine.